What we got here? So we got the full review. I've seen those reels down there. Yeah, so when it comes on the press, they put the place there, put our place in there, we start printing. Paper will pass in between the tower. Then it will come onto that folder. You see those where you have branches like that. That's where those are folders. In the folder, those two folders, this process is being done there. Paper will be split into two. Then it will be folded like that. Then it will be cut like that, running at that same speed. Not reducing speed.
And it's all automated?
Oh, yeah. Oh yes.
Done.
Yeah, we that way you can graduate to know how much blue we need, how much black we need, how much yellow we need, how much red we need.
No, she said she can't take the stairs, so she's waiting downstairs. I hope we'll meet her the same way.